This Procreate tutorial turned out so cool. Draw out some flower petals using a solid brush and make sure that each one is in a separate layer. Then you're gonna go one by one, adding a clipping mask to each petal. I'm using my realistic watercolor brushes for this, and I'll start by adding in the midtones. I'm working light to dark, and I'm gonna lay in my initial shadows and my highlights. We'll be refining these later though. Next, I'm gonna continue this through each part of the flower petal. These brushes are pressure sensitive, so the lighter you press, the more blending you'll get. Now for these folded lip parts, you're gonna add in your shadow first and then a highlight on the edge. Then in a clipping mask on the petal, you'll set a layer to multiply and use a midtone to add in the shadow underneath that lip. We're then gonna add in our final shadows for the piece in these layers. Continue doing this through the rest of the flower and then group it all together. Duplicate the group and hide one so you have a backup. Then flatten the top and create a clipping mask. From here, you're gonna tap in these splashes and then you're gonna set that layer to soft light. I'm also gonna add in some yellow tones here, and finally, I'm just gonna add a light blue shadow underneath everything. Click the link in my bio to download the watercolor brushes and check out my Patreon if you want access to my sketch library.